All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today, we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module, and we're going to pick up what we left off yesterday inside of our project introduction. So, this will add the package directly into our virtual environment or VENV, and we'll be able to use it immediately. This is when we installed the Web3Py package. Now, we want to make sure the package is installed. We can use the following command, UV-sync. This will sync the package and make sure that it is installed correctly. Now that we have successfully installed the Web3.py package, we can start using it in our project. The first thing we need to do is import the package into our project. We will do this by using the following command: from Web3 import Web3. Note, the from Web3 has a lowercase w and the import Web3 has a capital W. Now this will import the Web3 package into our project and we'll be able to use it immediately. Now that we have imported the package, we can start using it to interact with our Ethereum blockchain. The first thing we need to do is create or initialize a Web3 object. Now, before we do that, we will need to also import the Ethereum tester provider package, which is a package that allows us to use the Ethereum tester as a provider for our Web3 object. Now, we're not going to actually do that part because that was just a practice or a tester network that we were using to deploy our contract on. But since then, we've moved on and we're using the actual live provider here, as you can see. So we're not going to go over that example of using a tester provider. As you can see, we have our from Web3 with the lowercase. We imported the Web3 package with the capital, and this is where we initialize it. The W3 equals Web3, and as you can see, we're using a live provider, and we're not using the Ethereum tester provider like we did earlier. I didn't save that actual example, so I won't be able to show you. But yeah, this is what it looks like live. So we'll be doing a live thing when I do run the example for you. So stay tuned for that. But like I said, we're going to go over the contract line by line, piece by piece, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.